Rubberwood versus Acacia Wood, a comprehensive guide for furniture production. At Mondoro, we manufacture furniture using rubberwood and acacia wood, allowing us to clearly understand the differences and similarities between these two types of wood. While both are hardwoods known for their durability and aesthetic appeal, they each have unique characteristics that can significantly impact your product and manufacturing decisions. Rubberwood and acacia wood share many qualities, such as sustainability and versatility, making them popular choices in the furniture industry. However, the differences in hardness, workability, and appearance can influence which wood is best suited for specific applications. Rubberwood versus acacia wood, an in-depth guide for furniture production. The type of wood used in furniture production is a crucial consideration. Among the various options available, rubberwood and acacia wood stand out as popular choices due to their durability, aesthetic appeal, and sustainability. Both are hardwoods, which generally implies strength and longevity, but each brings unique qualities. Read on as we'll delve into the characteristics of rubberwood and acacia wood, compare their properties, and explore why acacia wood, despite both being hardwoods, is more complicated and often more desirable for specific applications. Understanding rubberwood. Rubberwood remains a highly favored choice for various types of manufacturing, particularly furniture production. Its durability, attractive grain, and eco-friendly nature make it appealing to manufacturers. Rubberwood's versatility and cost-effectiveness contribute to its widespread use in creating diverse, high-quality products. Origin and sustainability of rubberwood. Rubberwood, often referred to as parawood or plantation hardwood, is derived from the para rubber tree, Hevea brasiliensis, which is primarily cultivated in Southeast Asia, especially in countries like Thailand and Malaysia. Characteristics of rubberwood. Here are some of the main characteristics of rubberwood. Appearance. Rubberwood is light, almost pale, and has a subtle grain pattern, making it a versatile choice that can be stained or painted to match various interior designs. Workability. It is easy to work with, accepting nails, screws, and adhesives well. It also responds well to staining and finishing. Durability. While durable, rubberwood is not as hard as some other hardwoods, making it susceptible to dents and scratches. Sustainability. Its use helps reduce rubber industry waste, making it a sustainable choice. Understanding acacia wood. Acacia wood is a popular and significant choice for various types of production, particularly in furniture manufacturing. Known for its durability, rich grain, and natural resistance to wear and decay, acacia wood is favored for creating high-quality, aesthetically pleasing furniture. Its versatility and strength also make it a valuable material in numerous other applications. Origin and sustainability of acacia wood. Acacia wood comes from the acacia tree, a fast-growing species in many parts of the world, including Australia, Africa, and Asia. Acacia trees are highly adaptable, growing quickly and efficiently, which makes them a sustainable resource. Characteristics of acacia wood. Appearance. Acacia wood boasts a rich, warm color, ranging from light amber to dark brown, with distinctive grain patterns that add to its aesthetic appeal. Workability. While it is harder to work with than rubberwood, it can be crafted into beautiful furniture with the right tools and expertise. Durability. Acacia wood is tough and dense, making it resistant to scratches, dents, and wear. This hardness contributes to its longevity and suitability for high-traffic areas. Sustainability. Its rapid growth rate and widespread availability contribute to its sustainability, with many suppliers ensuring that acacia is harvested responsibly. Comparing rubberwood and acacia wood. Rubberwood and acacia wood are excellent choices for making furniture and home decor items, each offering unique benefits. Acacia wood is renowned for its hardness, making it a superior option for products requiring extra durability and wear and tear resistance. This characteristic makes acacia particularly suitable for high-use furniture pieces, such as dining tables and chairs, where its ability to withstand scratches and dents is highly valued. In contrast, hardness and durability. One critical difference between rubberwood and acacia wood is their hardness. Acacia wood is significantly more complicated than rubberwood, which translates to better wear and damage resistance. Aesthetic appeal. Both rubberwood and acacia wood have unique aesthetic qualities. Rubberwood's light color and subtle grain pattern make it versatile for various finishes, blending seamlessly with different decor styles. Workability and versatility. Rubberwood's softer nature makes it easier to work with, particularly for intricate designs and detailed craftsmanship. It is also more forgiving when cutting, sanding, and shaping. Environmental impact. Both rubberwood and acacia wood are considered sustainable options. Rubberwood uses trees that have already served their primary purpose, reducing waste. With its fast growth rate and efficient harvesting practices, acacia wood also represents a renewable resource. At Mondoro, we produce furniture using rubberwood and acacia wood, offering versatile options to meet various needs. If you are interested in seeing how Mondoro can be a valuable partner for your home decor and home furnishing products, we would love to talk to you to see how we can help you. Just email us at salesmondoro.com or visit ndoro.com.